Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your notifications on the Aldi's app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you receive a lot of notifications from the Aldi's app, but you need it installed. How do you actually go ahead and manage those notifications? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Aldi's app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner, then click on Settings, then click on Notifications, and then this is where you can toggle on or off between different notifications. So go ahead and toggle notifications on or off, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manage your notifications on the Aldi's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.